Ngayon po, ang Taiwan kasi, they are the #1 producer of semiconductor and AI chips and components. Kung atin pong matatandaan sa mga pahiyagan, international press releases, more than 60% of the chips and components for semiconductor and now AI are produced in Taiwan. Dahil po dito, nangangailangan sila ng mga workers for the expansion and new players in this category. Sa ngayon po, ang Filipino migrant workers natin, ang dominant workers in the field of semiconductor and AI production. Meron po tayong around 70,000 Filipino workers dito sa field na ito.